Hello, good morning. I'm waiting for a candidate to come for mock interview. Then I can permit him, then we can have the mock interview. Yeah. Yeah. I'm waiting for the candidate to come.
आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर नेटवर्क कवरेज क्षेत्र से बाहर है। कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर नेटवर्क कवरेज क्षेत्र से बाहर है। कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें। The number you are calling is out of network coverage area. Please try later.
Yeah. Where is that boy? Has he come? Hello. 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 Jaiswal. Yeah. Hello. Manan. Hello. 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 Please connect. Hello. Good. Hello. Speak. Audio.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah. Now it's okay. Fine. Good. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Which date is your interview for marketing?
23rd, that is on Tuesday, coming Tuesday.
Oh, great. Which place?
Lucknow.
Oh, very good. What is your basic degree?
I have done PGDM in marketing specialization from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Lucknow,
Which year did you complete?
in 2018.
Very good. After that, did you appear for any bank interview?
No, sir, I got campus placement in Kevin Care Private Limited, which is a FMCG conglomerate. So
What are they
I
doing?
joined there as a sales.
Yeah.
I joined there as a sales trainee.
Hmm.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you are working there?
No, I left the job in August 2019.
Okay. What were you doing in Kevin Care?
I joined there as a sales trainee and laterally promoted as a territory sales officer. My
Okay.
overall job profile was to maintain sound relationship and long-term relationship with client so as to drive sales and make more profit for the organization.
What was their product?
Some of the famous products are Indica Dye, Spinge Deo, and the Adidas Deos, Spinge Telcom.
Who are the promoters or owners of Kevin Care?
The famous brand endorsement was Irfan Khan, but due to the sad death of Irfan Khan, now the brand endorsement is Akshay Kumar for Indica Hair Dye.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I was asking directors or promoters. Who are the people behind it? Is it Ranganathan?
Sorry, sir, I don't get your question.
No. The company's head office is situated where?
It is based in Chennai,
Ah,
but
Eto.
it is a
Eto.
multinational company.
Ah,
Yeah, CK Ranganathan is
correct.
CEO.
Eto, that's what I was asking. CK Ranganathan. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. Now you are coming to marketing and banking. How can you market the bank's products? What strategies will you adopt to improve the number of customers and the business of the bank?
In the FMCG industry, I got an immense exposure of all types of market, that is rural market and semi-urban and also the urban market. So I think only the product difference is there in FMCG and banking industry. But the core knowledge of MBA and the sales, basic knowledge of sales will be same. So I can have a many marketing campaign like cross selling or the upselling or the product bundling can be used to increase the share and the customer base of the my bank.
Can you tell me what do you understand by cross selling in the case of a bank? In the
Cross
case of a
selling
bank.
can be,
Yeah.
I can explain it with an example. If a customer comes in my branch to take a home loan, I can sell home loan with a insurance to him. With the help of insurance, he can be insured if any collateral damage is done to his home. So he can be insured in such a way it will also affect in a good way to my customer and also drive my sales of the bank.
But that is one way. The other way is you can say if a party has come to us for opening savings bank account, we can persuade him to have his fixed deposit with us. Not only that, we can request him to avail housing loan from us. Not only that, we can persuade him to take life policies, then take other insurance requirements. Not only that, sell mutual fund
Yes, sir.
units to him like that. अभी ट्राई करो what is cross selling.
Sir, if a customer comes in my bank to open a saving account, I can offer him to have a
Yeah,
I can offer him to have a FD from my bank or a life insurance, and I can also convince him to take a credit card from my bank.
super
So this is
good.
cross selling.
That's good. Credit card, good. That's nice. I didn't tell you that and you remembered that. I'm really happy. Good. अच्छा.
Thank you, sir.
मान लीजिए this is the pen. Are you able to see the pen?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसको आप market करना है to a group of people. Maybe you are addressing a students, say a class of students having 40 to 50 people. How will you market this pen?
Sir, I can give example with this. Sir,
Yes, carry on.
good morning, all of you. I am Manan Jaswal from Flair company. My company offers this pen. It is extremely good for students. It has a better flow. It is built by Swiss technology with a smooth tip. It is especially designed for the student of our education system. As you know, student have less time in exam and to have write more. Hmm. So our company has made the pen to write it in a easy flow, and you can write maximum words with in limited time. So if you are having this pen, and the best example is that this was the pen, the first the CBSE topper has also used this pen only. So you can use this pen to have a great and bright future in your head.
Very good. What is the price of that?
It comes only in 50 rupees.
Oh, 50 rupees. Acha, acha. But is the refill changeable, or we have to change the pen only?
You can change the refill, but the good point is that it has a long life. So ordinary pen has to be changed the refill 3 times, but it can be changed only 1 time.
Oh, it will write so many number of pages. Will it write smoothly?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. I will buy 2-3 pens tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Very good. You did this very nicely. Can you tell me what you understand? What have you studied as marketing concepts? What is marketing? And banking may marketing, in what way is it different from, say, Kevin Care or this pen company? In what way marketing products for bank services is different?
Sir, today in modern business, marketing is overall phenomena to know the customer need and to satisfy the customer. We can have overall marketing. Earlier, a company used to sell only their on product concept and the production concept, but today marketing concept is the well-known idea of the business.
1 minute.
Um,
1 minute. Hello. Yeah, Airtel. சொல்லுங்க. ஆமா, லேண்ட்லைன் பாக்குறீங்களா? இது ஒர்க் ஆகுது, பட் நிறைய சவுண்டா வந்துச்சு. ஒரு மாதிரி டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சு. நீங்க வந்து பாருங்க. ஆமா, பட் போன வாட்டி என்னாச்சு, உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஏதோ மண்ணெல்லாம் இருந்துச்சு, எறும்பு இருந்துச்சு, அதெல்லாம் சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு போனாங்க. அதாயி ஒரு 2-3 மாசம் ஆச்சு. இல்ல, பட் நான் வந்து இப்ப இந்த இங்க எங்கேயான ஒரு செல்போன்ல வேற போன்ல பேசினா அங்க வரமாட்டேங்குது. அது மாதிரி, அதாவது நான் இந்த வைஃபை யூஸ் பண்ணி வாட்ஸ்அப் கால் பேசும்போது பக்கத்துல இல்லாம என்ன புரியல. ஓ, அப்படி பார்க்க சொல்றீங்களா? நான் இன்டர்நெட்ல ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லல. சரி நான் பார்க்கறேன் சரி இல்லைன்னா நாளைக்கு சொல்றேன். ரைட் நான் வந்து இப்ப வேற இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் என்கிட்ட இருக்கான்னு தெரியல. Yeah, very sorry. I was talking to the other phone. That is also service call. Marketing of service of say Airtel phone, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now
yes.
tell me what is marketing? In what way marketing for bank is different? Yeah.
Marketing is knowing the customer need and giving or designing a product or services to satisfy them. So overall, in a FMCG industry and a banking industry, the only difference is that about product. In FMCG industry, the product is tangible in nature, but in bank or service industry, the intangibility of the product is the main problem.
Super.
So
Yeah, you have to specifically tell we are not selling any products, we are not selling any things, but we are selling only our service. समझ गया? ये थोड़ा एनलार्ज करके बोलना है, इंपॉर्टेंस देके बताना है. बैंकिंग में हम लोग कुछ चीज को बिक्री नहीं करते हैं, खाली हम लोग का सर्विस को बिक्री करते हैं. जैसे समय पर उन लोग का खुशी होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम लोग जो बैंक में जो दूसरा इंटरेस्ट देता है इधर भी वही इंटरेस्ट देते हैं. बट the affection, the interest with which we talk to the customers is what is more important. समझ गया? Can you explain? Can you tell me
yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah. Please tell me in what way bank marketing is different.
In bank, we don't sell product or any physical product. We sell the services. So a banking manager or banking marketer can improvise in giving the customer satisfaction. That's why we can do marketing in banking.
Good. अच्छा, आपने ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा है. ग्रीन मार्केटिंग का मतलब क्या है?
Green marketing is
yeah.
So green marketing is the term by which the marketers try to have a overlook on environment aspect of the product.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Next, tell me what is cyber marketing? Cyber marketing
is cyber marketing is basically the digital form of the marketing. We used it online on the net social media and net platform.
Good. Can you tell me what is B2C?
B2C is the business. Yeah, B2C marketing is the business to consumer market.
B2B.
B2B is business to business.
What is e-commerce?
E-commerce is the online companies which sell product to the consumers. For example, Flipkart and Amazon.
How they try to improve their sales? How they improve
so e-commerce have the best advantage of having the product in bulk, and by cutting the cost of physical duties, they offer very high discounts to the consumer. That's why they are having great edge.
Very good. Can you tell me what are the products that banks sell?
Bank does business in 3 forms, that is lending and borrowing. For example, borrowing money with the customers in the form of current account and saving account, lending in the form of
don't use borrowing, lending. Use deposit advances.
Okay. in the form of current and saving account. It deposits money of the
tell
public.
Banks do business in the form of taking deposits and making advances. समझ गया? Two different functions. One is receiving deposits, and the other is giving advances. बताइए. Try now. Try.
Bank's basic function. Bank's basic function is to giving advances to the public and taking deposits from the public. And the another way of doing business of bank is in the.
Please repeat. What is?
The bank does business in two basic forms. That is by depositing public's money and giving access to public.
English wrong. By accepting deposits from the public. Hindi में बोलो. Talk in Hindi.
बैंक दो तरह से बिजनेस करता है. एक जब पब्लिक से डिपॉजिट लेता है तब, और फिर एडवांस देता है पब्लिक को तब.
ये तो you are literally translating that into English and that creates wrong sentences. Understand? Could you follow what I said? Yeah, good. So yes, one is accepting deposits, making advances. Apart from that, what are the other products banks are selling?
Bank also does business in the form of taking fee. For example, issuing debit card and credit card.
Good. Very good.
And they also have income from a locker rent.
Correct.
And bank also does business by selling third party products. That is selling insurance and many other things. In this form, bank have brokerage and commission earnings.
Commission. It's only commission. Very good. So banks accept deposits, and if you want, you can elaborate on deposits, different forms of deposits like demand deposits and time deposits. Then you can talk about advances. In the case of advances also, we have advances for different categories, like say for agriculture, microcredit, then industries, etc. Then they also sell credit card and also debit card. That's one. Apart from that, you told about the bank assurance. That is correct. And banks giving their lockers. That is also correct. Good. Then apart from this, banks also market other services like cash management services. सब चाहिए तो किसी कस्टमर का दुकान में जाके कैश लेके आना, उधर कैश देना, like that they also help in the matter of say cash management services also. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cash management services. Then NRI banking, non-resident Indians. That is in the case of not only local people, but also for others, that is non-residents, for them also selling our services. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. इधर दिया है accounts and card deposits and investment, loan and payment, dedicated relationship manager, home banking, preferred rates on loan products, investment privilege, lifestyle privileges, complimentary gold credit card. But some banks do offer like say privileged customer concept, and then they try to make them feel that they are more important. Likewise, they can sell the products. Whereas in the nationalist banks, it may not be that much. Whereas in private sector banks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, they have a relationship manager who is allotted 300, 400 accounts. He keeps in touch with them and tries to improve the business. Could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is a relationship manager concept?
Many banks have relationship manager. They are given 300 to 400 accounts of HNI customers and different
Correct.
customers, and they
HNI
look.
customers. Yeah. High net worth.
They, yeah, high network individuals.
Yeah.
They look after these accounts and try to generate business from these accounts by upselling or cross selling the product.
Good. You can also sell about selling mutual fund products. You can also sell about housing loan products. That is ज़्यादा interest आएगा. समझ गया? Yeah. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the various ways by which bank try to sell their products. Very good. Basic concept is we are not selling anything but only our services. That is what is more important. You are made branch manager of a bank. How will you go about improving the business position of the branch?
First of all, I will look after the customer base or the branch location, that whether the branch is present in business area or the residential area. Then only I will segment the population of my branch and design products and offers to offers like that. And I will also lead my sales team accordingly and give different targets accordingly.
Good. What do you understand by brainstorming? सुना है?
The brainstorming, yes sir, I have listened about it. Brainstorming is the activity by which an individual fits any concept or any theory in a mind of other.
Brainstorming is a concept by which we try to get different alternatives for solving one problem.
Yes sir, yes
For
sir.
example, you ask the people of your bank branch to assemble in a place and ask them to give suggestions like say, बच्चा लोग बोलो अभी ये कैसे हम लोग का बैंक business बताएगा. You call for their opinions, collect the opinions, and then try to make use of whatever is suitable. ठीक है?
Yes.
Very good. What is
Many
your
solution
father?
for one question.
Yeah. What is your father?
My father is retired teacher.
Good. Mother?
Unfortunately, my mother died in
Oh,
2000.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How many siblings do you have?
Including me, I have a sister who is working in MNC and is married.
Oh, good. What is your ambition in life?
To become a successful banker.
Good. Which is your dream bank?
PNB.
Okay.
Punjab National Bank.
Who is the chairman of PNB?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
SS Mallikarjun Rao. Okay. SS Mallikarjun Rao. Because you said dream bank, I asked. Otherwise, I would not have asked. Very good. You are answering very well. No problem. Go with confidence. You can do it very well. Thank you. Best wishes. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, sir. If you have to rate out of 10,
I
how
will
much
rate you.
marks you will
I
rate?
will rate you somewhere around. हो सकता तो 8, otherwise 9, but in between 8.5. Your performance is
Thank you, sir.
above average. The top 15 का अंदर में आएगा. Top 15, 100 में 15 आदमी का अंदर में आ पाएंगे. That's
Thank you,
what
sir.
it is. Best wishes. अच्छा, this selection is based on written test mark also, na?
Yeah, 80% weightage is to mains and 20% weightage is to interview.
20 के लिए आपको कम से कम 16 to 17 दे सकते. I will give you 16. Easy, but हो सकता तो 17 भी दे सकते. भगवान का हाथ में. ठीक है?
Sir,
Please,
one more
please,
question.
please get to know about union ministers. Please get to know about Uttar Pradesh, number of districts, number of ministers, etc. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So one more question. As I have done BCom in graduation, so is there any questions that I can get from BCom?
No.
No.
No. Here, it is more of commerce. I mean, bank marketing only. They will not question about BCom and all that. If they ask you minor question, they may ask what is balance sheet, like that. What is intangible assets, that is goodwill, like that. वो ज्यादा तो नहीं आएगा.
Oh.
Goodwill means क्या है? Goodwill का मतलब क्या है? A reputation of the company.
Good.
Reputation
Yeah,
of good
positive
name of the
reputation of the company.
Yeah. Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
you,
so
sir.
much. I will post this in our.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes.
You.
Sir, can I get a recording of this?
Yeah. I will post it in YouTube and give you the link.
Okay.
You have done well.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Minimum 8.5. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.